Today we're going to discuss negative exponents. So we're first start looking at patterns when we're using exponents. If I look at 2 to the 4th, it means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Or if I multiply it, 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16. 2 to the 3rd, 2 times 2 times 2, which of course is 8. 2 squared, 2 times 2, which is 4. 2 to the 1st is 2. 2 to the 0 sometimes confuses people, but if you note, if I take 16 and divide it by 2, I get 8. Divided by 2 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So if I continue the pattern, remember math is all about patterns, 2 divided by 2 gives me 1. So 2 to the 0 power is 1, just as any other number to the 0 power is 1. If I continue then dividing by 2, I say I'd have 1 divided by 2, and the easiest way to write that is 1/2, 1 divided by 2. If I divide 1/2 by 2, again continuing my pattern, I would have 1/4, and again dividing 1/4 by 2 is 1/8. And if I divide 1/8 by 2, I would get 1/16. And that pattern could continue. Now if we look at our 2 to the 4th and our 2 to the negative 4th, you notice we have 16 and we have 1/16. So 2 to the 4th and 2 to the negative 4th are reciprocals. You also notice the same thing applies, of course, to 2 to the 3rd, to 2 to the negative 3rd. We have negative 8 and 1/8. So all that happens when we have a negative exponent is the reciprocal of the positive exponent. So if you just remember that when you have a positive exponent and a negative exponent, they're reciprocals, it makes it easy.